In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ownership or hosts for Google Meet events. Now, whether you're organizing a large team meeting or you simply need to pass the baton over to someone else, this process is quite straightforward. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet. Make sure you're logged into your Google account where the meeting is scheduled. Once you're there, look out for the waffle icon. That's the 9-dot grid you'll find on the top right corner of your screen. This icon grants you access to a variety of Google services. Clicking on it is your gateway to managing documents, checking mails, and more relevantly for our task today, the calendar. Next, select Calendar from the options presented. Now this is key. This calendar contains all your scheduled events, including any Google Meet sessions you're involved in. It's here that we'll make the necessary changes. Once you're in Google Calendar, take a moment to find the specific meeting or event whose ownership you wish to change. You might see several entries here depending on how active your calendar is, but look out for the exact one to hand over. Found it? Great. Click on the meeting entry and you'll see all the details pop up. Here comes another important step. Click on the 3-dot icon. This little icon often represents more options, and using it will give us just what we need. From the drop-down menu that appears, you will select Change Owner. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to pass ownership to. Make sure you have the right email handy to avoid any mix-ups. A quick note, it's worthwhile to confirm with the new owner that they're ready to take over this role, as they'll receive a notification to accept the ownership transfer. It ensures a smooth transition and avoids potential confusion about who's in charge of the meeting. Press send to proceed and voila, the request is on its way. The new owner will receive an email asking them to accept or decline the transfer. It's as simple as that, and there you have it. Changing the ownership or host for a Google Meet event is really just a matter of a few clicks. This process can be incredibly helpful if you frequently collaborate with others or need to delegate responsibilities on the fly. I hope this guide has made the task clearer and easier for you. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. Have a great day and happy collaborating.